not something that we do in Britain. It's not something that we think about. With my father mentioning what he mentioned, I was in disbelief. And to think that we landed, we're not allowed into our own houses, okay, are things that when the plane didn't arrive till a week later, and somehow my half-sisters were there, as were Pavin Din, a number of Asian gentlemen around us who I couldn't explain who they were.
The other question that I wanted to go into was, counsel brought up the fact that there was a point when you were alone with your brother.
This witness is holding up this proceeding for so long, and it's a warrant of arrest. I think
to be your pathologist.
We have Mr. Richard Veever present in the court. He was stood down in 2016 after he had testified in 2016. This witness is holding up this proceeding for so long, and it's a warrant of arrest. I think
the pictures up that I took of my father in the mortuary with the discoloration, and I had other experts look at this in the UK who came back to us and said poisoning.
My question is that, just answer my question, sir. Did you give...
We came across evidence on Facebook, which will be construed to mean that one of his stepsisters and this husband was responsible for the murder of the deceased. This is what we discovered in prosecutor. This happened in a Facebook post by the ex-husband of Ellen Veevers.
Today for the High Court inquest into the suspicious death of Harry Roy Veevers, who died in 2013 under suspicious circumstances, which has been going on until today.
So far, how is the inquest and what are your expectations?
The inquest has been very long, very protracted, a lot of delays, which are very unfortunate, as we would like to bury our father. He's been in the mortuary since the 31st of January in 2014. I had to view the body yesterday to confirm that he's still there, and yet again another delay. It's quite inhuman, really.
Maybe what is your advice? What should be done to ensure that the inquest is as quickly as possible?
I would like it that the DPP and the police avail the file and witness, which is Emily Odiambo, my father's former housekeeper. We've been told for a year now that they're in contact with her, and then when we try to go to court, she doesn't appear. Currently, there's a warrant out for her arrest, and hopefully she will come forward without any issue and we can solve this problem.